Cross single-handedly bringing up the price of the third generation MR2.
I believe it. Come on, I got it. No, you're good, bro.
That was between the first and the second heat then. Well.
No, it needs to shift to the left a little bit. It does.
I was gonna say. You were right. I was like. Oh, he put it back in the wrong spot.
Oh shit.
He dragged it that far.
Okay, my bad. He did drag it a long way.
Yeah, I was like, where did it go? Yeah.
Saw the spare. I thought for a second the FRS ate it.
This car is awesome. I like this car. It's beautiful. It looks fast too. Yeah.
The classic plate and everything.
Yeah.
It moves.
I like the simple paint scheme too. I think it has a little bit of red and blue, but not much. Like stripes, maybe little pinstripes. Huh? Yeah.
Can I get an instructor?
Oh, Mustang alert.
There are 3 instructors roaming grids. You'll have to find them. We don't have any here in the trailer.
I will admit the ending box this time around is really small.
It tightens up.
Yeah, I noticed it.
And you go into it pretty hot too. Like you got some speed going into it.
Yeah, I don't know why they put the like the timer so far back. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Realistically, you can drift this thing.
Yeah. It'd be awesome if you like come with 3 or 4 people and say like, let's drift the whole thing and just take turns. We'll get it better.
Yeah, right.
Get some judges. They're like, dude, you're not winning. Yeah, no, I am.
Oh, here we go.
That's it's a cappuccino, is it?
No, it's a meat.
Literally. That thing dives so much.
I don't think he hit the cone. I don't think he hit it. Holy shit, that was close.
What'd you come out here?
235. Yeah.
I love this guy.
Street class.
This car does everything. That was pretty well.
Yeah, this thing. I picked the wrong time to track. Oh, they got one over there.
Love how this guy goes. Oh, here he is.
Lando Norris is at the line. Lando Norris is the most
Off, he missed the in between the cones. Thank you. Making his own thing.
It is kind of. I mean,
I can make my own course. Just came out to have fun. It's not about the time. It's about the experience. You play by my rules.
it's a little confusing.
King Kong ain't got none of his.
I swear, me being over that pillar kind of screwed up the first couple
that's
runs.
the time. Like 15 seconds. Damn, man.
Damn.